I'm gonna start left, right, center, and I have 3 minis and 20. I have 21s, and I'm just gonna hold the money and roll. So the stars center, 2 left, 1, 2. Oh, I sent out all the for my 2K winners. I sent your items out today, which is Friday. I'm recording this on Friday, but you probably won't see it till Saturday. Center. These are crispy ones. And thank you for all your support and for helping me get to 2K. Left. Pass. I need right. Right and center. Pass. Left and center. My crispy ones. I usually don't get crispy ones. Pass. Center and left. Left. Right and left. Pass. Right. Two for center. I have a couple more dollars. Okay. 2 for center and 1 for right. That's all the money. And let's see. Okay. This, let's see if I don't miss. Okay. So left is from Saved Money Saves You. And I'm making them all $2 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can do 3. Let's see. Highlighter's not working. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna paper clip them. So yeah. And then this one's mine. Center was my kitty cat. And they're already $2 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that's probably halfway done. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Almost. Almost halfway. And then right is from Onyx, or Cash Stuffing with Onyx. I got this one. She was Onyx Budget for Success. But it got 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe I won this in a giveaway. So $4. And I'm gonna try to do, if you guys like this, I'm gonna try to do, probably play this once a week. So $4. And then we'll just put the cards. Oh wait. Oh wait. I messed up, I think. 'Cause these aren't with that. Hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, these go here. Never mind. These go here for 10. I guess I didn't paperclip them. And let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna try to play these maybe on Fridays or Saturday. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll be back on the regular channel, part of the channel, with on Sunday with my group play savings challenges. Hope you guys are staying warm. I'll see you in the next video.